Health is your greatest wealth. One of the biggest misconceptions that I hear all the time when people hear about what I do is they think that health is somehow preset, that their genetics determine their destiny, and that as they get older, their body's going to break down inevitably. If cancer or heart disease or Alzheimer's or obesity run in the family, there's not much anyone can do about it. And we found that that is absolutely not true. The truth is that your body was meant to thrive. Your body has an exquisite capacity to restore, to regenerate, to heal, and to thrive. The latest science is saying that with neurogenesis and epigenetics, you can grow in strength, in mental clarity, and in vitality with every year that goes by. You can actually create new brain cells and stronger bones and muscles and do things that are absolutely extraordinary. We just weren't taught how. We were taught that we aren't good enough and can't do it. If anything, we were taught a lie that somehow these things are limited and fixed and there's nothing you can do about it. So I have a question for you. If you could have any health shift in the world, what would it be? Would you reverse a painful condition or enjoy more vibrant energy all day long? Would your back stop aching? Would you sleep better? Would you have a more fulfilling sex life? Would your brain be clearer so that you could learn faster and be more creative? There's an old saying that a person with their health has 1,000 dreams. But a person without it has only one, which of course is to get it back. So I want you to imagine for a moment what your health is worth to you and what it means to everything that's important in your life. My goal and my mission in life is showing people how to make food choices that will improve their health, uplift their spirits, and contribute to a healthier planet. And I want to end the trance that it's not possible. End the trance that says you're not good enough. End the trance that says you can't do it. And really show you the truth, which is that you can.